Alam mo ba, that this simple habit will change your life?
Hi, I'm Tux, and this is my journey of becoming the best version of myself. Sa mundong puno ng overthinker, be a doer. Most of people tend to overthink, mahilig magplano, but then wala namang natutuloy. Here's the reason why. Our thoughts are fragile. They come and go. So by writing it down, we're keeping it safe. Isipin mo, you're putting a glass of bottle into a box. That's how it works. Because when we write our thoughts, we're giving it a power. Every great idea, every dream, every goal starts as a thought. People nowadays keep on thinking na, ano kayang gagawin ko? Paano na kaya ako pagkatapos nito? When we write, it forces us to slow down. When we write, it gave us strength para harapin yung challenges natin, yung takot, anxiety, our goals, at syempre, our excuses. Kapag sinusulat natin yung goal natin, we're creating a roadmap. When you write down your mistakes, mas natututo tayo. At pag sinusulat natin ang ating progress, we can track how far we've come. You know, writing helps us organize chaos. It turns confusion into clarity, dreams into plan, and plans into action. Kapag nagsusulat ka, hindi mo kailangan maging perfecto. Okay lang kahit mali yung grammar. You just need to be honest. 5 minutes a day can change the way you think. 10 minutes a day change the way you live. So here's what I want you to do. Give me a favor and start writing. It doesn't have to be perfect. Magsulat ka lang. Maybe yung iniisip mo, your dreams, or kung ano yung gusto mong maging. Kasi your life doesn't start when you're ready. Nagsisimula ito when you write it down. And remember, the shortest pencil is more powerful than the strongest memory. And if you're new here and find my content good, then go on ahead and subscribe. Follow me as we go on a journey of becoming the best version of myself. Once again, I'm Tux, reminding you that every setback can become a setup for something even greater.